Hi there everybody, Brian Amon here with O'Fallon Family Floors. Today I want to talk about the differences between a solid hardwood and an engineered hardwood. Both products are real wood, so let's look at the difference real quick. Okay, so right here you're going to have a solid wood which is cut one time and made into your wood product, sanded the top, put a stain, a finish and everything on it. With an engineered wood, they actually ply the wood. So it's basically a veneer on top of a plywood, and you can get different layers of the veneer. The thicker the layer of the veneer, you can refinish it in the future, and it has to be 3 millimeters or above to be able to do that. Also, you want to look for a hardwood that it's a little more smooth. Very, very rough engineered wood, it would be tough to refinish that product. Just like if it was a solid, it would be tough to refinish that type of product. Really, the difference between the hardwoods are that they have made the engineered wood more stable by using the plied version. A solid wood is great when it's a skinnier board, but the wider you go, the more it will expand and contract. So right now, everybody's really wanting a wider hardwood on their floor, which means that the wider wood, it moves and could have gaps and things in the cold seasons when the humidity is really low. But with this kind of plied hardwood, you don't get that movement near as much, and it can even be in wider boards like 7 or 9 inches wide, which a lot of people are liking today. So really, that's the difference between solid and engineered hardwood. And if you want to have a discussion about even more differences between them, come on into O'Fallon Family Floors and let's talk. Have a great day, everybody.